Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado and meteorite stones, are rare and fascinating materials that often attract collectors and enthusiasts. While professional testing is always recommended for confirmation, there are several basic at-home methods that can help you make a preliminary identification. 1. Understanding Carbonado, black diamond. Carbonado is a natural polycrystalline diamond found mainly in Brazil and Central Africa. Unlike regular diamonds, it is opaque, black or dark gray, and has a porous structure. Key characteristics of Carbonado: black or dark gray color, dull to semi-metallic luster, extremely hard, can scratch glass or quartz, porous surface with tiny holes, usually irregular in shape, not crystal formed. Number 2, how to identify black diamond Carbonado at home. A. Visual inspection. Look closely at the stone under good lighting. Carbonado does not sparkle like a traditional diamond. Surface may look rough and grainy. Tiny pits or pores are often visible. B. Scratch test with caution. Carbonado is extremely hard. It can scratch glass easily. It should not be scratched by steel. Avoid damaging valuable stones. This test is optional. C. Density weight test. Carbonado feels heavy for its size compared to ordinary rocks. D. Heat resistance test. Carbonado can withstand high temperatures. When briefly exposed to heat, it does not melt or burn. Do not overheat the stone. 3. Understanding meteorite stones. Meteorites are fragments of rock or metal from space that survive passage through Earth's atmosphere. Common types: iron meteorites, stony iron meteorites. 4. How to identify a meteorite at home. A. Magnet test. Most meteorites contain iron. A strong magnet will attract them. Weak or no attraction usually means it's not a meteorite. B. Surface appearance. Meteorites often have a dark fusion crust, smooth, rounded edges, small thumbprint-like dents called regmaglyphs. C. Weight test. Meteorites are usually much heavier than Earth rocks of the same size. D. No air bubbles. Unlike volcanic rocks, meteorites do not have visible air holes. Number 5. Differences between Carbonado and meteorite stones feature Carbonado, black diamond, meteorite. Metate. Magnetism, no. Often, yes. Hardness, extremely hard. Medium to hard. Porosity, yes, no air bubbles. Origin, Earth, possibly cosmic origin. Space. 6. Final advice. At-home tests can help you narrow down possibilities, but they are not conclusive. For accurate identification, visit a gemologist, use laboratory tests, X-ray, spectroscopy, or hardness analysis. Conclusion. Identifying black diamonds, Carbonado, and meteorite stones at home is possible through careful observation, simple tests, and basic knowledge. While these methods offer helpful clues, professional analysis is the only way to confirm authenticity with certainty.